I ran into a friend, this woman that I was playing tennis against, and I played with, again, several times. And one day she said to me, she was going to this to a school reunion, and she was getting, in shape, because I said to her, "Oh, you've lost a lot of weight, blah, blah, blah." She said, "Yeah, and I'm getting, because of this reunion." And I said, "Well, what year was it or whatever?" And she said, well, she told me the year, and then she said she was 72 or something. I said, "Are you kidding me?" So I'm like, "Yeah." And I said, "Who did she said, "Oh yes, I've had a facelift. Didn't you know?" And I said, "No." And so I said, "Well, who did it?" And she told me it was Dr. Greco. The funny thing was, I'm like coming in here and I'm thinking, okay, I'm just gonna have like a little talk and whatever. So when I finally got down to it, and I came with my husband, and we sat in his office together, and he said, "Well, what do you want to do?" And I said, "Well, what do you think I should do?" And he said, "You want me to?" And I said, "Yeah, what would you do?" And he said, "Well, the first thing I would do is your neck." And I go, "My neck?" I said, "I never even thought of my neck." I said, I just thought I needed a little lift in here." He said, "No," he said, I do your neck." And then he said, "I would do your," and the funny thing was, one of my friends had said to me, "Have you ever had your neck done?" And this was like before the surgery, so I didn't think, but now that it's done, it's like, oh my gosh, he's so right that I needed my neck done. I would say if you were thinking about wanting something for yourself like that, you should do it.